In this video, I'll show you the steps on how you can stop Instagram from suggesting your account to other people. If Instagram keeps suggesting your profile to contacts, friends of friends, or people you don't know, this video will show you exactly how to stop it. So I'm currently in my Instagram application and I'm logged into my profile. But if I tap on Edit Profile, I'll see a bunch of different options on this page, but we don't have the option which we're looking for in the app, so we'll have to use another method. And that is by exiting Instagram and then open Safari or any web browser you use. It can be Chrome if you're an Android user, but I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari and then navigate over to Instagram.com. So your job now is to log in to your Instagram account, so enter your username or phone number, enter the Instagram password, and then go over to your profile page. For whatever reason, Instagram didn't give us an option to stop suggestions from the official app, but we'll have to do this from the web version. So tap on Edit Profile, which will open our profile editor. But if we scroll down, you'll see this option, which we don't have in the app itself, and that is Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. It says here, choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile and whether your account can be suggested on other profiles. So essentially, if you want Instagram to stop suggesting your profile on other Instagram accounts, just turn off this switch and tap this Submit option to save the changes. And that's essentially it. From now on, your Instagram won't be suggested and you can enjoy. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.